Came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 40, I don't feet, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along. Now they niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I be wrong. Remember I was in the county jail, none of these bitches wasn't picking up the phone. Now they making my line, I ain't got time no more. A nigga started from the bottom, now I'm living. Early morning, Uncle whipping in the kitchen. Some people said I couldn't do it and I did it. Look at my bank account, I'm running up the digits. I ain't in all that doing that facade shit. I walk it, I talk it, I live it. Come to the birdhouse, look at the garage shit. My Bentley coupe got a couple pigeons. I was down on my ass, had to go a new direction. Bought my mama took the purse, gave it 10 right, told her you ain't gotta stress it. It ain't even an emergency and a nigga about to pull up in a 911. Just to feed my dog. I told God it's a blessing. Came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 40, I don't feet, now they down below. Niggas got so much money on me, can't count no more. Down below, 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 Roddy Ricch said I never took the safe route. Niggas came from the bottom, I had to make it out. I was trapping in the box, I had to break out. Found my soul in the feds, came down the vacant house. Black truck on the corner, they had to stake out. Seen the dope boy pulling, got a rape out. Had to get him out the hood to the lake house. They ain't said about to bring my steak out. I was going to the swiping them beats. They think that nigga Rondo, cause of all you need. Now my jury wetter than I'm fiend. The Catalina, why you think that is Selena? Something that a nigga gotta leave. I just wanna sound like a red food dog, cause a nigga been down so long. Ain't nobody see verbiage, dog. Got it all on our own. Living them nights, I'm driving all night long. Now I keep a shooter on the right. Cause a nigga try to do me wrong. Yeah, yeah. Came from the bottom, yeah. Down below, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 40, I don't feet, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Down below, 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 down below,
Even if I told you, still wouldn't understand what happened. Rather be myself when people look at me, don't matter. A rock star, just trying to keep it kosher. Trying to keep my eyes on my own paper like my teachers told me. Soon as niggas think it's over, poof, #1 on the charts. I'm never vicariously, oh there they go. Biasly pushing negative narratives, I'm ready though. Cops wanna pull me over, embarrassed, abusing power. You never knew me, thought I was arrogant. As a juvenile, police pull their guns like they scared of me. And we used to howl, treat us not as the scared thing. Want anything we good at and we cherish it. Now we all fed up and news, coming back for everything. Rock stars, just watch the news, they burning cop cars. Kill another nigga, break the law to call us outlaws. What happened? Want us to keep it peaceful. Should've seen them hate, when I bought that Lamborghini. Throw up my middle finger, police can't catch me this up.
Stuff in the kitchen.
Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. Pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, this a clock. My God told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. You better let me go the day you need me. I'll be on that nigga, get the bus. And if I ain't enough, go get the chop. It's safe to say I earned it, ain't a nigga gave me nothing. too.